What's the one thing that people really like or really don't like about working with a lawyer? Keep watching and we'll explain.
Legally Speaking with Crocker Law Firm.
Today on Legally Speaking, we're talking about communication between lawyers and their clients. Cyndi, I know you've put a lot of thought into this. Why is it important to you?
It's important to me because it's important to clients. They tell us how important communication is. You know, people don't stop worrying just because you're working on their case. They stop worrying because you're working on it and they know what you're doing and they feel included in the process. So what that looks like at our firm is we like to have a sit down where we explain entirely how the case is likely to work, where you feel welcome asking questions. We try to use plain English and no jargon and make things clear to understand. And then it's important that we keep that conversation going and keep our clients updated on what's happening in their cases. The other thing I will say is important is that if I make you comfortable talking to me and we are having good conversations, I know you better, I understand what you're going through better, and that helps me build a better case and get you more money.
So what can I do as a client to make sure that I'm connecting with my lawyer like that?
Well, don't be shy. If you don't understand something, ask for clarification, ask your questions. Sometimes clients will say to me, oh, I don't want to bother you, but you're not bothering me. It's my job and I want to know what you're unclear about. And if a firm doesn't value that kind of interaction, you can usually figure that out before you hire them. You could ask for a meeting with your lawyer and see how that communication goes before you sign up. And I would also say, see what other people have had to say. Look at the Google reviews. If you go to a law firm's Google page, almost every review is about communication. They kept me up to date. I always felt well taken care of. Or I was in the dark. No one ever called me back. Communication is so important. It is the thing people are talking about most at the end of a case.
Those are all good insights. Thank you so much for that, Cyndi. Join us next time on Legally Speaking. To learn more about this and other topics, visit crockerfirm.com.